So we've had a busy week. I brought my assistant along today to do a walkthrough because a lot happened this week. Got the backsplash in for the kitchen, which you can see goes all the way to the ceiling behind here. There's going to be a couple floating shelves there. And the flooring in the kitchen is done, which is amazing. You can see, yeah. Sam wants to chime in. He has important things to say, don't you? So we got some casing done around some of the doorways. Not much has changed in this room, but let's see. Go down the hallway, you can see some of the casing is done in here. This bathroom is almost complete. Have a little bit of trim touch-ups to do, and the baseboards obviously, but the vanity is in, the toilet is set. Flooring looks gorgeous. The tub is all caulked, refinished, re-enameled. It turned out great. I love our two-tone tile that we did in here, and obviously the fixtures are set. Everything works. Let's go down the hall. You see we got the casing up on the door behind us. Did this window, casing's done. Just needs to be painted. But they look absolutely gorgeous. And I love the placement of these windows because you can put beds anywhere. And we'll go to master. And here's the master bath. The toilet placement looks a little weird, but that's what we had to do because of where the floor joists run. Not ideal, but you just gotta work with what you have. See, the vanity's in place. Everything works as it should. Still need to do some caulking around the end of the shower there. You can see some open grout lines. Yeah, what do you think, Sam? Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? All right, we'll go down to the basement, Sam's favorite part of the house, because he can make noise down there and run around on the carpet now that the carpet's in. Yeah, you want to go downstairs? Yeah, new carpet's in. You can see we got the flooring and the little mud area done. There's one plank that still needs to go down. We're going to replace that door, so I figured we'd just pin it underneath the door. That's why it's not quite done yet. Okay, Sam, run around. So the carpet's done in here. Still need to box out these posts. But the trim obviously is painted. We touched that up. Still need to paint the brick on the fireplace. And still need to recut in the paint around the trim in here. And finish that back closet. But I've got these windows cased out. That closet, obviously we need to trim the doors now that the carpet's in. But it turned out great. Don't you think, Sam? Isn't it pretty? Yeah, we had a busy week, didn't we? Yeah, we had a busy week. All right, next week we should have the trim all done, baseboards in, and be ready to start finishing the exterior stuff and fix a few things outside and then get this thing on the market.